Did you know that the world's largest living carnivorous marsupial is the Tasmanian Devil?
Wow!
Yeah, and they're about the size of a small dog and are well known for their piercing nocturnal shriek and strong jaws. Like in their name, they are found only on the island of Tasmania, south of the Australian mainland.
Sadly, many of these creatures suffer from Devil's Facial Tumor Disease, or DFTD.
What is that, you ask?
DFTD is an aggressive, non-viral, clonally transmissible cancer which affects Tasmanian devils.
The cancer manifests itself as lumps of soft and ulcerating tissue around the mouth, which may invade surrounding organs and metastasize to other parts of the body.
There are actually two types of DFTD. DFT1 was observed in the 1990s in northeast Tasmania. The DFT1 epidemic has subsequently spread throughout most of Tasmania, and currently, only areas of western and northwestern Tasmania are confirmed to have remained disease-free.
DFT2 was first observed in 2014 in the southeast of Tasmania. To date, it has only been observed on the Channel Peninsula in southeast Tasmania.
So far, there are no established treatments for DFT1 and DFT2. A number of chemotherapeutic agents have been trialed for DFT1, but none have shown any success in treating the disease. Preliminary immunotherapy trials have shown some promise for DFT1.
DFTD is such a serious disease because of how contagious it is within the species.
DFTD is unusual because it spreads from animal to animal, but not via a virus, like some human cancers. The cancer cells are derived from Schwann cells and are spread between devils during biting, a common behavior during the mating season. The rogue cells then settle down in their new host and grow into tumors.
This is also commonly referred to as allogenic transfer. The stem cells in allogenic transplants and transfers are from a person other than the patient, either a matched, related, or unrelated donor. Essentially, the cells are taken from different individuals of the same species.
So, what makes these tumor cells distinct from other cells in the Tasmanian devil's bodies?
When scientists researched the cells of both healthy and infected Tasmanian devils, they discovered changes in the cells of the healthy Tasmanian devils compared to the Tasmanian devils that were affected by the cancer.
The healthy devils have 14 chromosomes. What was observed in the infected devil cells was that parts of chromosomes 2 and 6 had disappeared and other strands of chromosome information appeared, shown in red. The chromosome in these tumors have undergone a complex rearrangement that is identical for every animal studied.
Also, severe genetic abnormalities exist in these cancer cells. For example, DFT2 cells are tetraploid, containing twice as much genetic material as normal cells. So, the biopsies of the cells showed that the tumor cells were either missing chromosomes or they had additional chromosomes.
Ultimately, this helped researchers determine that DFTD is a transmissible cancer that isn't caused by a virus.
Because the karyotypes were too consistent to be considered coincidental, it led to the now accepted hypothesis that DFTD is an infectious cancer, rather than caused by a virus or parasite. The Tasmanian devil is under threat from a widespread fatal disease because this oral facial tumor obstructs the animal's ability to feed.
In light of this remarkable finding and of the known fighting behavior of the devils, it is proposed that the disease is transmitted allogenically, whereby an infectious cell line is passed directly between the animals through bites they inflict on one another.
Because of this disease's rapid spread, it's important that we raise awareness to it and search for a solution to support the research.